Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to Hot Skinny Recipe. Today, we're making a mouth-watering Middle Eastern dish chicken mandi. It's aromatic, flavorful, and surprisingly easy to make at home. So let's get started. Here's what you'll need for chicken mandi: 1 whole chicken, 2 cups basmati rice, 2 medium onions sliced, 1 large tomato chopped, 4-5 garlic cloves crushed, 1 tsp ginger paste, 1 tsp turmeric, 1 tsp cumin powder, 1 tsp coriander powder, 1 tsp black pepper, 1 tsp garam masala, salt to taste, 2 tsp mandi spice mix, 2-3 tsp ghee or oil, 4 cups chicken stock or water, saffron or food coloring, charcoal for smoky flavor. In a bowl, mix the chicken with ginger, garlic, turmeric, black pepper, garam masala, and salt. Add a tablespoon of mandi spice mix and let it marinate for at least 1 hour. The longer, the better. In a deep pan or oven, cook the chicken with some oil until golden brown on both sides. If using an oven, roast at 100°C 105°F for 25-30 minutes. In the same pan, add ghee and saute onions until golden, add tomatoes and remaining spices. Pour in chicken stock and bring it to a boil. Add rice, cover, and cook on low heat for 20-25 minutes. For that signature smoky mandi flavor, heat a piece of charcoal until red hot. Place it in a small foil cup inside the pot, pour a little oil or ghee over it, and cover immediately for 5-7 minutes. Fluff the rice gently, place the juicy chicken pieces on top, garnish with nuts or raisins if desired, and that's it. Your delicious, homemade chicken mandi is ready to enjoy. If you liked this recipe, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tasty dishes from around the world. See you next time. Bismillah and enjoy.